What is up guys, Jason here. Welcome back to the channel. We're back with another video, and this week's video is going to be way better than last week's video because I'm going to show you guys how nurses can make more money than doctors can, and how a single nurse in my hospital system earned over $800,000 in a single year. If you like these type of videos and you want to follow the lifestyle of two nurses earning over $355,000 per year in Sacramento, California, and two nurses that also want to retire in less than 10 years through the FIRE movement, then make sure you subscribe to our channel. Alright guys, let's move on to the video. Can nurses make more than doctors? First, let's talk about the amount of hours that I currently work. I work 24 hours per week, each being 8-hour shifts. Now, why did I accept a 3 days per week, 8-hour shift position? Well, in California, we have California overtime laws. What does this mean? In California, if you work more than 8 hours in a single day, you get paid time and a half. If you work more than 40 hours of non-overtime hours in a single work week, you get paid time and a half. Any hours worked on the 7th consecutive day in a single work week are also paid at time and a half. Then we have more than 12 hours in a single work day, and you are going to be getting paid double time. Lastly, for more than 8 hours on the 7th consecutive day in a single work week, you are also going to be getting paid double time. Okay, so now that we know that, which MD specialties make the most money? Here we have a list of the top 5 medical specialties that earn the most money. In first place, we have plastic surgery, earning $501,000 per year on average. We have orthopedics earning $497,000 per year, cardiologists at $408,000 per year. Then we have the lowest paying specialties that are in primary care fields like internal medicine, family medicine, and pediatrics, earning $230,000, $219,000, and $212,000 respectively. So, how many hours does the average surgeon work? Because surgeons are the highest paid, this is what we're going to use as our baseline. Surgeons average out 50 to 60 hours per week, not including time available for call. All right, now that we know that, how can nurses earn more than doctors or even a surgeon? Well, I work 3 8-hour shifts, but because we get paid time and a half, I always pick up an extra 4 hours per shift. That means my first day on, I'm getting paid my base pay for the first 8 hours. That's what you see here in pink. From 3 p.m. to 11 p.m., I'm getting paid my base rate of $93.70 per hour. Any time after that is going to be paid at time and a half of $140.55 per hour. So if you look here, on a 7-day work week, I'm working 3 days a week, making $3,935. I work 24 hours at my base pay and 12 hours at time and a half. That means that in a year, I will be making $204,640 per year. If I take 4 weeks off in that year, I'm still making $188,899. But let's move up to the next tier because I work with nurses that work 3 16-hour shifts per week. Now, how much can you earn per year if you do this? Let's break this down. Okay, so let's say you come in, your first day, you're making $93.70 per hour for the first 8 hours. Then you're making $140.55 per hour for the next 4 hours because you're getting paid at time and a half. And then for the other 4 hours, because this is a 16-hour shift, you are getting paid $187.40 per hour because those hours are going to be paid at double your regular rate. So if you work 16 hours every single day for 3 days in one single week, you are working 24 hours at your regular rate, 12 hours at time and a half, and 12 hours at double time. That also means you are earning $6,184 in 1 week, or $26,798 per month, and $321,578 in 1 year with no time off, versus $296,841 per year with 4 weeks off for vacation. At these rates, you are already earning more than most doctors in the United States. Okay, so let's move up to the next tier. I'm gonna show you guys how one nurse in my hospital system was able to earn over $800,000 in one single year. This nurse is known for working every single day of the year. She works 16-hour shifts every single day. I am not kidding when I say that, because some days we see her sleep in the parking lot and come back to work 3 to 4 hours later. If you want to make this kind of money, that is what you are going to have to do. You are going to have to sacrifice your sanity to make this kind of money. Now, another thing I should mention is that she was asked to waive her run pay. What is run pay? Well, run time at my hospital is when a nurse is paid double time on the 7th consecutive day of work, and then time and a half every single day after that until the other 7th consecutive day of work. And that will continue to repeat itself until you stop working. So if you look at this chart, this nurse is just getting paid time and a half and double time for every other day, and then we are going to repeat this cycle, not the run pay cycle. So let's go through this. This nurse is getting paid 24 hours of her regular rate of $93.70 per hour. Now, she actually gets paid more than I do, but we're using my hourly rate as an example. Then she is earning 60 hours at time and a half, and she is earning 28 hours at double her regular rate. She is working a total of 112 hours per week. She's earning $15,929 per week, and she's bringing in $69,000 per month, guys. That is insane, but that is a rough estimate of exactly how much she is bringing in per month. At this rate, she is also bringing in $828,308 per year with no vacation. And even if she were to take vacation of 4 weeks, she would be bringing in $764,592 per year. Depending on the hospital system you work for in California and how many hours you're willing to put in, you could be earning over $800,000 per year. Now, I don't have the willpower, nor am I willing to sacrifice my sanity to work that many hours, which is why I stick to working on an average of 3 hours per week. And as you saw previously, I can easily earn over $200,000 per year working just that. All right, guys, so if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you watch our playlist if you want to know what our pay stubs look like or how much we were able to earn in 2020. Okay, guys, I'm out. See you guys on the next one.